By early 1945, World War II had entered its final and most decisive phase. In Europe, Nazi Germany was collapsing under pressure from both the Western Allies and the Soviet Union. Allied forces crossed the Rhine River, while Soviet troops advanced rapidly from the east. Cities were destroyed, supply lines were broken, and German resistance weakened with each passing week. The Third Reich, once powerful and feared, was now facing inevitable defeat. In April 1945, Allied forces surrounded Germany from all sides. Soviet troops launched their final assault on Berlin, the capital of Nazi Germany. Intense street-by-street fighting followed, as German forces attempted to defend the city. On April 30, 1945, Adolf Hitler committed suicide in his underground bunker. Shortly afterward, Germany officially surrendered on May 7, 1945. The war in Europe came to an end, a moment celebrated as Victory in Europe Day. While the war had ended in Europe, fierce fighting continued in the Pacific. Japan refused to surrender despite heavy losses and widespread destruction caused by Allied bombing campaigns. The United States prepared for a possible invasion of the Japanese mainland, an operation expected to result in massive casualties on both sides. To force a swift end to the war, the United States made a historic and controversial decision. On August 6, 1945, the United States dropped an atomic bomb on the Japanese city of Hiroshima. The explosion instantly destroyed much of the city and killed tens of thousands of people. 3 days later, on August 9, a second atomic bomb was dropped in Nagasaki, causing further devastation. These bombings introduced the world to nuclear warfare and marked a turning point in human history. Facing unimaginable destruction and the threat of continued atomic attacks, Japan finally surrendered. On August 15, 1945, Emperor Hirohito announced Japan's surrender to the world. The formal surrender was signed on September 2, 1945, aboard the USS Missouri in Tokyo Bay. World War II was officially over after 6 years of global conflict. The consequences of World War II were immense. More than 60 million people lost their lives, and entire cities lay in ruins. Europe and Asia faced economic collapse and humanitarian crises. In response, the United Nations was established to promote peace and prevent future global wars. At the same time, tensions between former allies began to rise, leading to the Cold War between the United States, the Soviet Union. World War II reshaped the political, social, and military structure of the modern world. New superpowers emerged, old empires declined, and the threat of nuclear war became a permanent reality. The war may have ended in 1945, but its impact continues to influence global politics and international relations even today.